Hi everybody, welcome back to Arm Candy. We've got a really sweet little mulberry purse to show you today, and it is in the gorgeous colour Oxblood. So I'll talk you through the features. We've got that feature mulberry tree plaque on the front, and then we have a flap closure with a press stud fasten. And then inside we've got two sections. So we've got open section here with 3 card slots, and then we've got a zipped section just here, and then that zip section inside is split into 2 with that little divider in the middle there. And then on the opposite side, on this side just here, we've got 2 flap pockets. So we've got a flap pocket there and another flap pocket just there, and then we have another 5 card slots here as well. And then along the length of the purse, you can see we've got one nice big flap pocket just there as well. So that is the features. The condition of this purse, it is in a gorgeous condition. So we've called the exterior and the interior excellent. As you can see, I'll show you all along those trims and on the base and on the back as well. All over, that leather just feels gorgeous and it looks gorgeous as well. There's no marks or anything like that for me to show you. That colour is still gorgeous on all of it, and overall it is in a beautiful condition. We've called the hardware good just because there is a little bit of wear to these little studs here. You can see that gold tone is starting to fade and dull away just there on that tree plaque. But other than that, again, it is in a gorgeous condition. You can see the zip still works really nicely. It opens up like that. And the press stud is still in lovely condition as well. There's a little bit of minor scratching and things like that on there. But overall, it is really in a gorgeous little condition for this mulberry purse. So I'll show you what it comes with. We've got a little mulberry box, and then it's got mulberry tissue paper in there as well. So it's in a lovely condition, and it comes with a nice little box as well, so it would make a perfect little gift for somebody. If you would like to know, sorry, I just got that closed. If you'd like to know any exact measurements for this purse, you can go to the link in the description below. So that's the link to shop this purse on our website, armcandybagco.com. So click on that link and you'll find some more details on it. If it doesn't take you directly to this purse, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. But if this is what you had in mind and it's what you're looking for, don't worry, because you can get on our request list. We get mulberry in especially all the time, so just let us know that you love this. We'll pop you on our request list, and then as soon as we get in another one like this, we'll let you know. We'll send you through the link to shop through an email, and then hopefully you can get in there nice and quickly next time. So as I said, exact measurements will be on the website, but I'll show you the size on me if it's any help. So I am a size UK 10, I'm 5'4". And I think it's a really great little size. It's small enough definitely so you can fit it in your everyday bag, but it's got enough organisation and compartments in there so that you can get a lot in it. So it is a perfect little size, I think. If you wanted more details on it, again, go to the link in the description below. While you're on our website, have a browse through. If this is not your thing, or if you're looking for something a little bit different, we've got loads of beautiful arm candy on there for you to have a look at. Bags, purses, wallets, suitcases, all sorts. So have a look on there. Also sign up to our newsletter to keep yourself updated on all the new arm candy that we're getting in, and we will also send you through your welcome discount code, and you can use that on your first purchase with us. So don't miss out on that discount code. And also, while you're here, like this video and subscribe to our channel. If you're a bag lover like we are, we don't want you to miss out on any beautiful bags that we have to show you. And also, while you're on our website, you'll find the How to Sell with Us page. So if you have any bags that you'd like to sell with Arm Candy Bag Co, all the details you need to know about selling with us are on that page. So have a look on there, and we'll see you later with some more arm candy.